Dear students, myself Rita. Here is the test of the next topic called Fresnel biprism. Again, you have to go through the topic, you have to read it properly, solve the numericals related to this particular topic, and then you will be able to perform the test. Test is comprising of multiple choice, short answer type questions, and also the numericals. So here is the first slide about the multiple choice questions. The first question for you is, whose principle or law states that each point on the wave front may be considered a new wave source? Is it a Snell's law, Huygens principle, Young's law, or Herd's law? You have to choose the correct option out of given 4 options. The next question is, a thin sheet of refractive index 1.5, that is mu is equals to 1.5 and thickness 1 centimeter, is placed in the path of light. What is the path difference observed? You use the appropriate formula for the fringe shift, and then you will be able to find out by using the appropriate formula you will be able to find out the answer in this particular question. Now the next question is, what is the nature of source of light in the biprism interference experiment? Whether it is a point source, extended source, narrow slit, or a multiple source. Right? Choose the correct option. So the next question is, in the Fresnel biprism experiment, the two coherent sources are obtained by refraction, reflection, internal reflection, or reflection and refraction both. You have to choose again the correct option. Now the next slide is about the short answer type questions. The first question for you is, what are the various methods to find D in Fresnel biprism? In my video, I have explained you the two methods by which you can obtain the value of D. You have to write down here both the methods. Okay. Next question is, how do you calculate the wavelength of monochromatic source using Fresnel biprism? You know, this is the application of Fresnel biprism. So you have to write down here the proper topic, that how to find out the lambda. Next question is, derive an expression for displacement of fringes when a thin mica sheet is introduced in the path of one of the interfering beam. This is again the next application of Fresnel biprism, that is the shift in fringes when a thin sheet is introduced in the path of interfering beam. So you have to do all these questions and you have to write down the answers of all these questions. Next slide is about the numericals. The first numerical is, in a biprism experiment, the fringe width of 1.4 mm with the light of wavelength 6000 angstrom. What will be the fringe width if the light of wavelength 5400 angstrom is used with no other change in the experimental setup? As you know that there is a relationship between the fringe width and the wavelength. Okay, fringe width is directly proportional to wavelength, right? So you use that particular relation and you find out the required answer. Okay, the next question is, find the separation between two coherent sources formed by a prism whose inclined phases makes an angle of 2 degree. Here the angle alpha is given to you 2 degree with the base. Now the slit source is placed at a distance of 0.20 meter from the biprism. Okay, and the refractive index given to you is 1.50. You just write down all the data given to you and use the appropriate formula and find out the required answer. Right? So this was all about it. Thank you.